Have you ever wondered how rich people became successful and how you could be one too? In this video, you will learn 5+1 things that are essential for you to become successful. So, grab a pen and paper and let's dive right in. Buy assets. One of the most important things to do is to understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Simply put, an asset is something that puts money in your pocket, and a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. An asset can be anything like stocks, bonds, real estate, land, gold and silver, or even jewelry. Liabilities include credit card debt, student loans, car loans, non-income generating properties like vacation houses, and even home mortgages. Rich people understand that in order to obtain wealth, they must first buy assets. But more of that in another video. Invest in your financial education. Investing in your financial education is an investment in yourself. It equips you with essential life skills, ensuring you can make informed decisions about money, savings, and investments. Financial education provides a sense of security, reducing stress about the future. It empowers you to plan for your dreams, whether it's buying a home, starting a family, or retiring comfortably. Moreover, in today's fast-paced world, financial knowledge is your shield against economic uncertainties. It offers the freedom to pursue your passions, travel, and enjoy a worry-free life. Ultimately, it's not just about numbers, it's about gaining control, confidence, and the ability to shape your own destiny. Whether you invest some money in online courses, or just your time in reading books and watching YouTube videos, like this one, that educate you financially. So, if you want to take a step to educate yourself, subscribe to this channel, and like this video to help others in the same situation as you, find this video. Learn high-income skills. Imagine a life where you wake up each morning without the heavy burden of financial stress. High-income skills are like secret weapons that can make this dream a reality. Picture having the freedom to work on your terms, without a boss breathing down your neck. With high-income skills, you can be your own boss, setting your own rules and working from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. They are the cornerstone of entrepreneurship, enabling you to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Skills like digital marketing, coding, or copywriting are crucial for online entrepreneurship. Now think about your income, not just as a number, but as a tool that can shape the life you want. High-income skills significantly boost your earning potential. Whether you're negotiating a salary increase or charging higher rates for your services, these skills open doors to increased income. This financial freedom means you can afford not just the essentials, but also the luxuries of life, whether it's traveling, pursuing hobbies, or investing in experiences that bring you joy. But high-income skills are more than just a means to an end. They are your pathway to career advancement. Imagine a future where you're not stuck in a mundane job, but climbing the ladder of success at a rapid pace. These skills make you indispensable to employers, leading to exciting career opportunities and faster promotions. Create multiple streams of income. Picture this: financial security, diversification, and the ability to live life on your terms. That's exactly what multiple streams of income can offer you. If you're relying on just one source, you might be taking a bigger risk than you realize. Diversification isn't just for investments, it's for your income too. Having various sources, whether it's a job, investments, side hustles, rental properties, or maybe a business, keeps your finances more secure. But it's not just about safety, it's about opportunity. Multiple streams of income open the door to unlimited earning potential. You can be your own boss, dive into entrepreneurship, and explore new horizons. The financial freedom you gain is truly transformative. But here's the real kicker: wealth building. If you have multiple sources of income, it's not just about making ends meet, it's about accelerating your journey to financial prosperity. Reinvest your earnings, create a cycle of wealth, and watch your assets grow exponentially over time. Have a long-term vision and be disciplined. Long-term vision and discipline aren't just phrases. They're a mindset, a way of life that can transform your dreams into reality. Imagine having a roadmap, a clear picture of where you want to be not just tomorrow, but in 5, 10, or 20 years. Now here's the magic ingredient: compound interest. It's like planting a seed that grows into a mighty tree. Your efforts, investments, and learning compound over time, creating a wealth of experience, knowledge, and yes, financial stability. It's not just a vision, it's a promise to yourself, for a brighter tomorrow. But remember, building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Learn to use debt. Firstly, we have to understand the difference between bad and good debt. Good debt is debt that helps you buy assets, and bad debt is debt that helps you buy liabilities. Now, here's the deal. Leveraging is like using financial turbo boost. You borrow money to invest, aiming for higher returns than the cost of borrowing. It sounds fantastic, right? Well, it can be, but it's a double-edged sword. On one hand, if your investments perform well, your profits are amplified. It's like turning a small investment into a big win. On the other hand, if things don't go as planned, you not only face potential losses, but also have to repay the borrowed money. That's where the risk comes in. For instance, in real estate, you might use a mortgage to buy property. In the stock market, you can trade on margin, essentially borrowing to invest in stocks. It's exciting, it's daring, but it's not without risks. Remember, leverage magnifies both gains and losses. So, before you jump into this high-stakes game, understand your risk tolerance, do your research, and consider seeking advice from financial experts. Leverage can be a powerful tool, but it's not for the faint-hearted. And there you have it, the 5+1 essential strategies that can pave your way to financial success. Remember, becoming wealthy isn't about luck. It's about making informed decisions, investing in yourself, and embracing the right opportunities. If you learn to do the things I've just told you, you're arming yourself with the knowledge and tools needed to thrive in the world of finance. But here's the secret ingredient to make all these strategies work: action. Take that first step today. Grab that pen and paper, write down your financial goals, and create a plan. Invest in yourself, stay disciplined, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. The journey to financial freedom might be challenging, but with determination and the right mindset, you can achieve your dreams. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. And remember, your journey to financial success starts now. Go out there and make it happen.